15 divided by 3 equals? Answer is 5. 7 times equals 14? Answer is 2. What is double 45? Answer is 90. Complete the multiples of 4. 16, 20, 24. Answer is 28. What is double 18? Answer is 36. Is 45 even or odd? Answer is odd. 6 times equals 30? Answer is 5. 6 divided by 3 equals? Answer is 2. 3 times 12 equals? Answer is 36. 40 divided by equals 8? Answer is 5. Is 137 even or odd? Answer is odd. 120 divided by equals 12? Answer is 10. Is 151 even or odd? Answer is odd. 2 times equals 10? Answer is 5. 60 divided by 5 equals? Answer is 12. Is 133 even or odd? Answer is odd. 44 divided by 11 equals? Answer is 4. What is double 59? Answer is 118. 60 divided by 6 equals? Answer is 10. There are 9 boxes. Each box has 11 pencils. How many pencils total? Answer is 99.